Be, you should go to Grand Sale.
Ay, nako.
Yeah, Grand Sale is good.
You're trying to get rid of me now. Do not try to get rid of your husband.
Pangutano na to. So, i-hire na to, i-hire. Do you wanna be a tutor?
Why do you put him on the spot, dear?
Huh? No, he was being offered to be a tutor, Matt. Kyle, you need to say yes. It's more money.
More money?
98% in math. Over 100, A+ grade. And then, awesome job. And then, he's hired. Look, he's hired.
You're hired, Kyle.
He's hired to become a math tutor. See, Kyle, you're hired. Apply. Yes, maybe, so. Apply. Yes. You don't have to apply. You already hired.
Go eat.
Ay, Dios mío.
He just ate bagel. Go
Eat
eat the egg
bagel.
and sausage. Go eat.
He ate and he
That's
studied.
not enough food, dude.
Kyle, go eat.
Kyle, I was opening up the shade. I saw the 98. I was like, cool. And then I saw the tutor thing. Kyle, you made Mama very smiley, very proud. And she's like, what?
Labak, 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 labak.
Oh, yes.
Why give me more job?
You like to work, apparently.
I'm day off today.
Yeah, That's kind of trying to use your damn work phone.
I'm day off.
And I'm going to remind you, the next time they text you, I'm going to say, day off.
Be, you should go to Grand Sale.
Ay, nako.
Yeah, Grand Sale is good.
You're trying to get rid of me now. Do not try to get rid of your husband. I asked you want to go to the garage sale.
Hell no! Hell no, I'm not going to Grand Sale. My day off.
Uh-huh.
Hell no. That's American term though.
Hell no.
Yeah. We never have that word. I just learned it. I just learned it from here. We never say that hell no. You know, we don't learn that language before.
Where did you learn to punch your husband?
Originated from me.
Yeah, exactly. You learned that one.
Yeah, that is, yes, that, because we are Filipino.
Yes.
We have that. We can punch and throw the husband in the window.
In the window. Okay.
In the window. Yeah.
Sabi niya.
Unya, akong bana, ingon siya, mo kuan ko no siya, mulangoy ko no siya sa inagbisita na mo sa diha sa Pilipinas. Mulangoy ko no siya sa Labak. What you said? Lubak? Lubak? You said Lubak, right? Lubak.
Lubak.
Lubak River.
And then?
Siyang giing na, nun sa day mong ingon. Itong pamanihoy, ako nang kapution. Ingon siya, lukso ko na siya sa Lubak River. Tingko ayaw ina ag Lubak. Dili na siya Lubak. Ingon ko, Lubok River. Magkita di ay dito guys sa Lubok River.
Yeah, that's where you're gonna find me in the bottom.
Kyle, ask your teacher about that offer possession you have.
Tutor.
Yeah, but you will get paid for it, right? Yeah,
No,
Kyle?
yes, I asked.
Kyle, don't you think the job you will get paid, Theodore? How much per hour? 50? $50 an hour? You should ask that, Kyle.
Yeah, something to put on a resume.
Yeah, it's good to
or
have.
when you transfer to the next school.
Maybe you want to be a teacher, math teacher. You consider about that to be a math teacher? You know, when you are working as as a teacher, it doesn't pay you well, but then they will give you a good retirement. Be, what do you like? You wanna get paid big amount and then no retirement, or you wanna get paid less and a good retirement? What do you like?
Well, the other thing is the thing that you cannot buy.
What do you mean? What do you mean you cannot buy?
You cannot buy a time.
Correct. Yeah, correct. You cannot buy a time. I think for me, if I have the choices, I would like to get paid more now than later because you don't know what is your future. You know, you're just trying to predict to have a good future, but you cannot say like, oh, you know, I wanna live 90 years old. You cannot predict your future life, right, Ben?
Correct.
Yeah, you can't. So
That's why we need to hurry up and retire.
so you cannot say, oh, I have a better retirement. So retirement is just a plan that you never have it now. You don't know your plan is. So it's better to have income now, save it to your own, because the plan is just a plan. So we never know. We never own our life. Only God knows. Only God knows what is the plan for yourself. It's just we are here to carry this life that it's being borrowed. So we stay humble. We stay humble and poor. It's okay to be poor. I'm always poor since I was born. I'm always poor. I never feel like, oh, I'm rich. Huh? Never. I don't have that in my mind at all. Because I am not rich. I'm always poor. So it's better to go poor. You don't have to worry about things. But if you die rich, you worry about your money. You worry about money. The government, especially the government, number one thing, they will come after your money and property and state. Mauna guys nga, there are so many people, they are in United States, they're rich, and they die, and that money, if it's not being put in well, and then the government will take it. No hesitation. Think and you know you have a property, you always have to put that in will, because the government, the state is ready for it, ready to take it from you. At that time, they are there, your last breath. Huh? The state is number one to look at your last breath and confirm your death, because not even the doctor, is the state. Yes, it's the state. The state will take it. So it's okay to live poor, Jude. It's okay to live poor. Poor and busy. Ayaw lang po ng poor niya, napulan ka. Diba? Okay rin ng poor, busy. Ayaw po ng poor nga mag yaka-yaka ra. Ya dili ka magmaningkamot. Kanang poor nga makakaon. Parehan ako, poor man ko nya makakaon lang ko. Tungod kay busy man ko makakaon jud ko. So pero poor kang magbuka ka ra ka din ha sa imong kuan balay tapulan ka kayo. Lahi ka ng pagkapura na. Pinapulan na. Stay humble you guys. Mag-stay humble ta tungod kay kining atong kinabuhi barod lamang. Walay mula sa kalibutan. Wala o wala bisag unsa ka pakadato. Dili ka magla sa kalibutan. Ang imong kwarta dili na maka-extended sa imong kinabuhi. Kung mawala ka, mawala ka.